Deer is the most beautiful wild animals of the nature, and all types of people love them, especially for their beauty and gentle nature. Depending on the species, the body of deer is very colorful. It is very easy to raise some deer, and they easily maintain. They are just like other domestic animals, and it's very easy to start and operate a deer farming business. Deer farming business has a great opportunity for making higher profits and creating a good employment sources, and at the same time can save this animal from being extinct. Today in this video, we will try to explain the method of commercial deer farming and its advantages and disadvantages. Deer products have huge demand and high value in the market, but there are some problems with this lucrative business. Commercial deer farming business is not permitted by the government of some countries. So, before planning for starting this business, contact with your nearest wildlife service center and ask them if commercial deer farming is permitted in your country or not. Starting a commercial deer farming business is just like starting any other livestock farming business. It is very easy and simple. Even the beginners can start raising some deer. First of all, you have to select a very good location for starting your business. Try to select a calm and noise and pollution-free place for your farm. Ensure good water source in your farm. Also ensure availability of electricity and good transportation system. Housing is very important for commercial deer farming business. In the wild condition, deer used to live under big trees or near any grassland. But if you want to raise them inside your property, then you have to make a comfortable and suitable house for them. Deer usually like high and dry place for living, so make a house for them in a higher place and try to keep the house always dry. The size of the house depends on the number of the deer you intend to raise. Deer usually like to eat grass, leaves, corn, grain, etc. Like other livestock animals. Their eating habit is the same as goats, cows, sheep, and other herbivorous domestic animals. You can feed the deer grass, leaves of the tree, kitchen garbage, various types of corns or grains, etc. You can also feed them grainy feed, which is very healthy of them. Along with providing nutritious feeds, ensure adequate supply of fresh and clean water according to their demand. Like many other domestic animals, deer are naturally very good breeders. They will breed easily if you keep good ratio of male and female deer in your farm. However, for good breeding, one male deer should be kept for 8 to 10 female deer. Deer are very strong and tough animals. Thus, they usually require less care and other management. Even then, taking good care of the animals for proper growth and health is very important. Vaccinate them in time. And always try to keep in touch with a veterinarian in your area.